Are you sure about this, Ray?
More than sure, Hawkman. After so long playing superhero as the Atom, a South American research project as Ray Palmer will feel like a vacation.
Be sure to send us your coordinates in case we...
Hawkman? Hawkman! I can't keep her in the air! Better get small if I want to survive this! This is the Atom, on the Justice League emergency transponder. I don't know if anyone can hear me, or if this thing is as broken as my size-changing belt, which seems to have me stuck at 6 inches high. I've crashed near a river. I'm going to follow it. It'll be slow going, but hopefully not too difficult. Then again, easy, big fella. Oh, fantastic time to be stuck at 6 inches high.